Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nature of Faunas. Today we are talking about world's cutest dogs. There are three types of most cutest dogs in world. One of them is Dalmatians. Second is Golden Retriever and third is Samoyed. First, Dalmatians.
The Dalmatian is a graceful, medium-sized dog with a sleek, muscular body. The tail is fairly long and has a slight, upward curve. The coat is short and dense, with brown or black spots on white.
Second, Golden Retriever. The Golden Retriever is a Scottish breed of retriever dog of medium size. It is characterized by a gentle and affectionate nature and a striking golden coat. It is commonly kept as a pet and is among the most frequently registered breeds in several Western countries. And third is most cutest, Samoyed. The Samoyed is a breed of medium-sized herding dogs with thick, white, double-layer coats. They are a Spitz-type dog which takes its name from the Samoyedic peoples of Siberia. Descending from the Nenets herding laker, they are a domesticated animal that assists in herding, hunting, protection and sled pulling. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more brilliant information.